last week it was your birthday.
Right.
This week, we were sitting in our office yesterday, and I was like, oh, Amy, you got to listen to this. And we had, there's some funny bit that we'd found online.
Right.
The comedy websites.
I couldn't hear it.
And first of all, you didn't even know I was talking to you. Like, Amy, and you're like, oh, what?
I try to ignore you as much as possible.
Listen to this.
No, that's not
and you're like, no, turn it up. And I was like, are you kidding me right now? Because I had this bit, it was just like a comedy skit or whatever, and I had it blaring. And I come to find out that apparently with old age, deafness sets in.
Well, yeah, I mean, actually, there was a survey that was done, and there was a lot of people. 1 in 9 adults 45 to 54 have the biggest hearing loss. Now, I'm not in that group, but my hearing is really bad.
Wait, you're not in what group?
45 to 54. Not yet. I'm getting there.
Well, not anymore, you're not.
Stop it.
So, if you haven't heard this, we do this about every 6 months to a year or so.
Right.
There are ringtones that you can download, that your kids can download, that you can't hear.
Right. When I was coaching swimming, a lot of my kids had this on their phone. Right. And they can hear it, and I couldn't hear it.
So I thought we'd do a little hearing test.
Let's do it.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Now, what you're going to have to do is obviously turn your radios up just to hair. Okay.
And can I say this? The louder you turn it up, the better. Because when we were doing this yesterday, I couldn't hear it. And then you said, turn it up. I can't hear it. I turned it up, and I could hear it better.
Right. Turn your radio up. Listen to this. Now, I've got a bunch of different tones here. Mm-hmm. Okay. And basically, the way these tones are set up is a lot of people will lose the ability to hear these specific tones at certain ages.
So it's broken down by age group.
Exactly. Mm-hmm. Now I'm going to go ahead and play one tone, and it's kind of loud and high pitched. So just be aware. This one, everybody should be able to hear.
Ow.
Yeah. Okay. I know. All right. Okay. So I'm not going to play it for very long.
Okay. But that's what we're listening for. Is that tone?
Like that tone. Now, obviously you heard that one. So now I'm going to go ahead and start with a tone for people who are 49 years of age or younger. Okay. You ready? Mm-hmm. See if you can hear this.
Got it.
Okay.
Ow.
Yeah, it's piercing. So, all right, Amy's hearing isn't that bad.
Yeah.
Now it's a tone that only 39 years of age folks and younger can hear. You ready? Uh-huh. Here we go.
Oh, I heard it.
You hear? You right?
I heard it that time. Yay.
It's pretty good for your age.
Yeah.
Okay, moving down. Here's a tone that people only 30 years or younger can hear. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. You hear that? I haven't played anything yet. All right, try this.
No.
Nothing?
No.
Try it one more time.
I hear like the click when it starts and stops.
Okay.
Can you hear it?
Yeah, I can hear the click, but I can't hear the actual tone.
Okay.
411-987. 411-987, keyword CA. I want you to tell us where your hearing stopped. Here was the 39 years and younger. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Uh-huh. All right. Here's the 30 years and younger. Okay.
And also, can I say, if you are younger, give us a call and we'll let you hear it all the way down and we can see exactly where your hearing stops.
Okay, cool. Now, I'm going to play one for 18 years of age and younger.
Okay, let's do it.
This is something, especially parents, your kids can put this on their phone.
Oh, yeah.
And you'll never know if they're getting texted or called. Never. Here's 18 years of age and younger. You ready?
Uh-huh.
I can hear that one.
You cannot hear that one.
I can. Watch. I'll play it again.
What do you mean, watch? What do you mean,
watch me listen is what I'm saying.
Shut up.
Watch me listen.
Give us a call, 602-260-9870.
That was 18 years of age and younger. It's not. Don't be mad at me because you're old and deaf. Don't be mad.
I'll be mad at you because we need to get people to work. How about that?
411-987 is the text number. 98.7 The Peak. It's all about variety. Hal, how you doing, buddy?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good.
Doing well.
So how old are you?
I'll be 51 in March.
Okay.
51. All right. Now, Hal, how were you doing on the hearing test?
I've heard everyone except for that last one.
The 18.
Yeah.
Really? How loud did you have your speakers up, though, Hal?
Oh, I got like $30 speakers in my car, so I couldn't turn it up too loud. So, yeah, I kind of thought, too, because when you guys did it, and I thought, oh, okay, well, I'm screwed.
Right.
I thought my hearing was going bad, and then now I'm all confident, so.
Right now, are you married, Hal?
No.
Okay, because I was going to say, if you were, you could tell your wife, listen, I totally failed it.
Yeah,
like, totally.
I was married, but that's called selective hearing.
Now, you gave me a great idea for another hearing test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, Hal, and I'm going to play these again on this next break. But I've got a new hearing test that I'm going to want everybody to hear, okay? It's especially for the men, though.
Oh, okay.
All right, thanks for calling in, Hal.
Oh, we gave his confidence back.
I know. We're like the Cialis of radio stations.
Oh.
Putting smiles on guys' faces everywhere. 98.7 The Peak. It's all about variety. Chris and Amy in the morning. About every 6 months to a year or so, we do this hearing test. And it involves ringtones that they get harder and harder to hear the older you get.
We do this because this is what your doctor would do. So we're like your doctor without the how's your undercarriage.
Listen, we're not doctors, but we did stay at a Holiday Inn Express last night.
Ah, good point.
True story. Mm-hmm. Heather, good morning. How you doing?
Yeah, I feel pretty good this morning.
Okay.
I'm 46, and I could hear the 30 and under. And I don't feel so bad because my 12-year-old was in the car, and he couldn't hear the 18-year-old one.
Oh, my God. You know what? Here's the thing, Heather.
Whatever. He's lying. He's like, nope, don't hear it, Mom. It's ringtone.
I don't think Parker really played an 18 or under.
I did. I played it.
No, I don't think you did either.
Well, I'm just telling you guys right now, this isn't a conspiracy against your hearing or your old age.
Oh, sure. Stop.
At least not Amy's old age.
Please stop it.
Actually, it is a conspiracy. Listen, Heather, thanks for calling. We appreciate it. Her and her son, Timmy, are in the car.
Thanks for listening, Timmy.
Appreciate it. Now, Timothy says he can't hear the 30 and younger.
No, the 18 and younger.
Was it 18 and younger?
Yeah, it was 18
Okay,
and younger.
well, I want you to watch his face because our producer, Kate, is also ridiculously young. And she said that those tones are really annoying. So what I'm going to do, because, well...
We think Tim's lying.
It's your job to annoy and embarrass your children as long as you can. And I like to jump on that bandwagon. I'm going to go ahead and play one of those 18 and younger tones again. Ready? Turn your stereos up if you got kids in the car.
Watch their face.
You can't hear that?
I can't hear it at all. I can hear the clicking.
I can hear that.
I know kids around the valley are squirming right now.
One more time. Really? You can't hear that?
No. You know you're driving producer Kate nuts.
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care. You know what? One more time just because we can. You can't hear that either?
You are...
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Now, I have one more hearing test that I wanted, and who do we talk to? Hal? Was that his name?
Yes, it was Hal. Yes, it was.
Hal called in, and he brought up a really good point. Now, this hearing test is only for the guys.
Married men.
Married men, yes. Because I don't know if you knew this or not, but there's something that physically happens to your eardrums when you get married.
Right.
Now, I'm going to bet $1 to a donut that you, if you're a married man, cannot hear this. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right.
Why don't you ever take out the trash? Why don't you ever do the dishes? Why don't you ever help me with the kids? Why don't you ever send me flowers? Listen, you need to be nice to my mother. You need to stop hanging out with your friends, and you need to start telling me I'm pretty. I heard that perfectly.
Heard what? What did you hear?
It was a great test. It was pretty good.
This is all I heard.
You're not even married
Something
yet.
about The Simpsons, and I think football's on this Sunday.
Okay.
That's pretty much all I heard right there.